quarter has been very fruitful for Bruce Kilgore's design, releasing the controversial Dirty Triple Wide and Lil Yachty's 2000s-inspired version. The Air Force One is undoubtedly always in the spotlight. The Beaverton designers are still working diligently to create more avant-garde styles for the shoe's general catalog, and as fall 2025 approaches, a nylon swoosh build is gaining popularity. Although the black metal dubrae match their matte compositions, the tongue mirrors its materiality, once more using nylon down the shoe's throat. The crossing pattern is easily visible within a receded swoosh bridging quarter to quarter, supported by an additional black mini-Swoosh just below that centered aspect. The last visit with a murdered out edition was earlier in 2025. Otherwise, this maintains the timeless attractiveness of Uptown's all-white facade, which is complemented by white leather throughout the remainder of its property. The Nike Air Force One Nylon Swoosh in black and white, which retails for $115 US, should be available on Nike.com shortly.